Assalamu alaikum and guten Tag from Germany. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have been following my journey, you know we explored the enchanting streets of Quedlinburg in the last video. Today, we are diving into the hidden gem within the Quedlinburg itself, the beautiful and historic Münzenberg. Münzenberg is not just a place, it's an experience that combines history, scenic views, and a serene escape from the hustle and bustle. And let me tell you, as a solo female traveler, it's a perfect spot for some quiet reflection and adventure. Let's talk about the history of this place. Münzenberg is a small hill located just above the Quedlinburg, and it's steeped in fascinating stories. It was originally the site of Benedictine monastery in the 10th century, which follows the idea of living for God as a community. Imagine this, centuries ago, this hill was alive with monks dedicated to their faith and studies. Later on, during the Middle Ages, the monastery was destroyed and small houses were built in its place. These houses are what gives Münzenberg its unique, almost storybook like charm today. Walking through Münzenberg feels like stepping back in time. The cobblestone paths, the half timbered houses, and the peaceful atmosphere. It's all like a scene out of medieval painting. यहाँ की हिस्ट्री को एक्सप्लोर करना एक अजीब सुकून और एक्साइटमेंट का एहसास देता है। अगर आपको मेडिवल टाइम्स का शौक़ है तो मुन्सनबर्ग की ये कहानियाँ आपको बहुत पसंद आएंगी। Now let's talk about the breathtaking views. One of the main reasons I fell in love with Münzenberg is its panoramic view of Quedlinburg. From the hilltop, you can see the entire old town of Quedlinburg with its iconic red rooftops, winding streets, and the ancient architecture. It's a photographer's paradise. The greenery around Münzenberg adds to its charm. In spring and summer, you will find flowers blooming everywhere, while autumn brings warm hues that makes the hill look like magical. As a solo traveler, I found the quietness here incredibly calming. You can sit on one of the benches, soak in the view, and let your thoughts wander. It's the perfect place to journal, sketch, or simply reflect. और जो लोग अपनी तन्हाई को एंजॉय करते हैं, ये जगह उनके लिए एक हेवन है। क्विडलिनबर्ग के सीन के साथ साथ नेचर का सुकून आपको एक साथ यहाँ पे मिलेगा। Now I will share the list of the things that you can do here in Münzenberg. So first one is explore the historic houses. Take a walk through the little alleys. The houses here are tiny, charming, and full of character. Many of them are privately owned, but just seeing them from the outside is a treat. Secondly, you can visit the Münzenberg Chapel. This small chapel stands as a reminder of the hill's religious past. It's simple yet beautiful and great spot to admire architecture. Thirdly, you can enjoy a small picnic or a coffee break. Pack a small picnic or grab a coffee from Quedlinburg city and enjoy it while sitting on the hill. Trust me, the combination of fresh air, views, and snacks, it's unbeatable. Lastly, you can enjoy sunrise or sunset. If you are an early bird or a romantic at heart, visiting during sunrise or sunset is a must. The golden light over Quedlinburg is absolutely mesmerizing. Now I'm sharing some travel tips for travelers here in Münzenberg. Münzenberg is a very safe for solo travelers, but always stay aware of your surroundings, especially if visiting during quieter hours. Wear comfortable shoes. The cobblestone path can be tricky. Bring a camera or your phone. You will want to capture every moment. और हाँ, अपने साथ एक अच्छी किताब या नोटबुक भी ज़रूर लाइएगा क्योंकि जगह लिखने और इंस्पिरेशन हासिल करने के लिए परफेक्ट है। So that's Münzenberg. a peaceful hilltop with a rich history and stunning views. If you are visiting Quedlinburg, don't miss this little gem. And for my fellow solo travelers, trust me, it's a worth every step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and finding beauty in every corner. See you next time. Goodbye.